Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to thank you all for stopping by. If you are new to this channel, it's a pleasure to have you. Go ahead and hit on that subscribe button and join the family. If you are returning back to my channel, thank you so much for coming back again. Thank you. I have some butterfly locks that I created on this young lady. Stay tuned. So I just her hair is already freshly washed. I just moisturizing it with some moisturizers. And for this style, really, I'm just gonna do some single braids on her own hair. Just parted little squares for the base. Just doing some small braids throughout her hair, like box braids with her own hair. And once I'm done with all the braids, I will come back and add the extensions. So here, this is what I'm talking about. Her hair is completely braided, and as you can see, I didn't braid it all the way to the ends, and I just don't think you need to at this point. I'm using this pre-fluffed from Freetress. This I think those are like 24 inches long. They're pretty long. So for the base, I'm using just a regular kinky twist hair, just like you can see here. Kinky twist hair, I just put one strand of that, and then I'll add the wrapping hair, which is that pre-fluffed hair, and I add them both together. And when you're braiding the hair, just make sure you don't make it too tight on the scalp, just so it's not too tight when you're wrapping the hair. This type of style can be very tender on the scalp if you make it too tight. So just make sure it's not tight on the scalp, and the locks will be able to move around more flexibly, and it will be more gentle also on the scalp. So as I wrapped it, I wrap about an inch on the bottom, and then I start making those loops with my thumb, like you can see. And I just do that throughout the whole um, throughout the whole braid, or the whole wrapping process, until the desired length that I want. And for some reason, guys, excuse me and forgive me, for my camera, it wasn't really focusing uh, I was having a lot of trouble with this camera for some reason. So I added the hair. Once that wrapping hair finished, I add a new one. So it takes about probably like 1.5 loop, I mean a strand of wrapping hair to wrap the whole entire length. So just the process, I wrap the inches about an inch on the bottom, and then start making those loops with my thumb all throughout the wrapping process. And then when I add the hair to continue the wrapping, I always tie a loop. Make sure I tie it so that the hair doesn't come out. So at this point, I just measure the hair and I tie it at the end before I start wrapping backward to finish up with the, like you can see, I wrap it backward and I tie it again and I wrap it completely. I wrap it completely backward to finish up on the ends, and I just cut the rest off and just rub my fingers through it like that, so it looks like that. And that is it for today's video. I hope you like this type of videos. The style came out really nice. I try my best to measure at the same place so that it looks really nice and uniform. Well, if you do like this style, please, or if you like more videos like that, like this from me, let me know in the comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, help me grow this channel. Don't forget to comment, share this video with your friends and family. As always, I want to thank you so much for stopping by today, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.